Yo, yo. It's iPhone 12. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amin Azim and I do a lot of tech review. But today dia akan jadi lain sikit sebab aku akan unboxing iPhone 12. So, let's go. Okay, so kita akan unboxing iPhone 12. Okay, so first and foremost, apa yang korang perlu tahu, aku beli this iPhone, aku beli daripada machine. So yeah, dia baru sampai, the package baru sampai kat rumah aku. So if you are buying it from machine, this is how it looks like. Okay, so let's unboxing it. Yeah, by the way, this is my architecture. I never know. Right, so oh shit, okay. Oh, yeah, very nice packaging. So yeah, before that I also order the screen protector from the machine itself. This is the package, and this is the receipt. Yeah, I guess I think that's all. That's all for the unboxing. So damn. Okay, so this is the bubble wrap. Let's see what it is. Wow, damn. I mean, the packaging, they are very secure. Dorang memang jaga dorang punya shipment. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, and it seems like that's pretty the unboxing experience. The iPhone, okay. So this is, yeah, this is the tempered glass, which are okay. So as you guys know, even the iPhone 12 itself, they are the ceramic shield, but lot of people saying yang ceramic shield is the overall body punya build, but it's not on the screen. The screen is screen, the glass is glass. It's still the characteristic of glass, which is scratch, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so yeah, this is the iPhone 12 unboxing. Alright, so yeah, I think this is my number, my order number. Okay, aku tak boleh pakai pisau sebab yeah, aku akan rosakkan dia punya experience of unboxing. So yeah, okay, this is, yeah, can you hear the plastic? Ooh, plastic. Alright, so I'm introducing you the iPhone 12. Holy shit, dang. Okay, let's see. Okay, so kita akan buka dulu. Okay, so you guys witnesses my first Apple iPhones. Okay, yeah. Oh, I love the design. Okay, never mind. Okay, so what? Okay, macam kenapa aku beli iPhone 12 first and foremost is because the design is so good. It is so beautiful. Kalau korang tengok dia punya design, it is very industrial. As you can look this camera, the rectangular camera at the back, the material with the iPhone 12. Damn, it is so good. Yeah, you can see the aluminum over here. Whew, it is so beautiful. Yeah, but somehow yeah, there's a lot of people saying yeah, macam iPhone 12 ni dia punya colour dia, especially this blue, dia macam this, dia tak berapa menarik sangat lah. Yeah, but it seems after aku tengok depan mata aku, yeah, it seems like it's not that good as they show us in the Apple punya conference. But yeah, never mind. Okay, so what you got here is yeah, dia punya SIM tool. Okay, and yeah, and just this one, you do USB-C, cable lightning, Damn. Wait, where's my where's my sticker? Yo. Okay, yeah. They also give you one sticker, depend on the size. Yeah, the size of the iPhone 12. Right. So yeah, this is my first hands-on on the iPhone 12. Okay, let's open it. Yeah, hello, hola, in every language. Yo. You know what? Sepanjang aku unboxing this phone, aku just tengok dekat dia punya this camera LCD punya panel. But if you look at the screen, damn, it is so nice. Yo. What's wrong with the screen? I mean, the screen is so good. Yeah. Whew. Wow. I gotta say that this phone is, yeah. Oh, okay, aku kena chill. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you for being with me, and thank you for watching. For those new, I'm doing a lot of tech review, and I'll be doing next reviewing the iPhone 12. So sesiapa yang tak follow lagi and tak subscribe, please subscribe, because yeah, you're gonna miss the video. Right, that's all from me. Thank you.